friends, today we are discussing on the topic is the object life cycle. Objects are persistent, meaning that exist in a memory until you destroy them. When we break the life of an object into the three phases, creation, installation, use and destruction. Object life cycle routines allow the creation and the destruction of object. References. Life cycle methods associated with the object allow you to control what happens when an object is created or destroyed. The selection discussion, the first and last pages of the object life cycle. Creation, we are discussing on the creation and installation. Object references are created using one of the two life cycles routines. Object new or object jar. Newly created objects are initialized upon creation of two ways. First one is the object references is created based on the classes structure specified. Second one is the objects init method. If one is called to initialize the object's instance data method, the object's superclasses are searched for an init method. The init method. An object lifecycle method init is a function names classes init where classes in the actual name of the classes. The purpose of the init method to populate a new created object with instance data. Init should return a scalar true value if the initialization is successful and false if the initialization fails. The init method is unusually in that they cannot be called outside of an object creation operation. This method is unlike most of the objects methods. You cannot call it init methods on the objects directly. You can however call an object init methods from within the init method of a subclass of that object. This allows you specify parameters used by the superclasses init methods along with the used by init methods of the object being created. In practice, this is often done using the extra keywords, implicit object creation and object new function. You can create object reference to a new object if variable is one of the two ways. The implicit object creation method use the class name as a function. The object new function. The implicit method used to name of the class structure as a function that creates a new object. With object new, you supply the name of the class structure as it argues and the object new creates a new object. In the both methods, the new object contains an instance of that class structure. Note that the fields of the newly created object instances data structure will all create a new object. Thank you.